What's going on, YouTube? Officialkeithit here, and today we have an unboxing. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Let me get my unboxing knife. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I'm standing behind the camera, and because the mic that I use with my camera is not what do you call it? I think it's omnidirect, or is it I don't know, whatever the direction is where it comes from all points. I had to actually turn the mic around facing me while I'm opening this. So, hold on. Oh, did I get it? Okay, yeah. Alright, let's set that down. There it is, folks. This is the Rexing Dash Cam. This is the V1P Plus. Only at Best Buy. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and just take it out of the box. This is for the car. This includes a 32 gig memory card, a wire kit, and you can get Geek Squad protection, but you can do it yourself. Let me stop the video right here so we can go into more detail of the unboxing. Alright, so as I said, this is the Rexing Dash Cam V1 Plus. So basically you're going to have the main unit or the main camera here, and then you have a secondary camera that most people will use for the rear. I've even seen some people mount it in the rear but then turn it around for whatever reason. So we'll just take a look at the box real quick. It has a Rexing seal on there. And then it tells this right here shows you some of the stuff that it has. 2.4 LCD screen, ultra wide angle. Now that's big right there. When you get your dash cams, if you're considering a dash cam, make sure that it's ultra wide because it'll get the most visual information. And it's full HD, so 1080p. Has loop recording, temperature resistant. Now that's good because you know, when you mount a dash cam, sometimes you just don't want to keep taking it down or whatever, and you can mount this dash cam and you don't have to worry about the heat. You have auto on and off, discrete design, collision detection. So if the camera senses that the car's been in a collision, then I don't know what it exactly does, but I think it locks, like it'll record something and then it'll lock the file so it won't accidentally get erased. Dual channel, which that's the double cameras, but this is the main piece right here, the Sony CMOS Sensor. That Sony sensor, or people that are familiar with Sony products, especially their photography products, know that this is going to be a pretty good sensor for this dash cam. I got it upside down. And then if you turn over here on the back, you can kind of see, and you can pause the video here, but you can kind of see the specs of this dash cam. So let's go ahead and open this box up. Alright, so let's get that unboxing knife again. About the unboxing knife, I mean, this is what it is. If you have an idea where this unboxing knife is referencing, let me know in the comments down below. There's a hint. Alright, let's slide this out. Okay, if you've been rocking with my channel since the jump, you know every time I try to do an unboxing, I have yet to have a successful unboxing where I don't have a problem getting stuff out of the box. This is ridiculous. Okay, there we go. Alright, so there's a little flap right here. And I do apologize for the sound. The mic is actually pointing kind of up, so I'm pretty sure this is going to sound like I'm echoing or something. Alright, inside the box you get, what is this? I guess a little happy or sad, whatever. Warranty. This is the main camera itself. Whoops, sorry about that. This is the main camera itself. And when you're getting these cameras, y'all, do not forget that there is plastic on here. You need to remove that plastic before you start operation. This thing is fairly light too. I'll just put that right there. Alright, here is going to be the cigarette lighter adapter. And it's a fairly long adapter. Oh wow. I have to show y'all this. Look at that. Let's focus up on that. Man, talking about old school USB. Wow, but it's a fairly long cable. Here, let's just take it out. It's a fairly long cable there. Alright, sorry about that, y'all. I had to bump that ISO up some. And this is the Hardwire Kit. Now I'm not doing this today. This will probably be a weekend project, but this is going to get hardwired into my car. So it comes with the Hardwire Kit. And then there's no point. Well, let's go ahead and open it up. Might as well. Open this up. This is the, break it already. This is the secondary camera. Has a little adhesive that you can stick, and then this will plug into the main unit. Well, what do you know? So I was on Amazon today looking for pry tools, and you can get I want to say either 4, 5, or 6 piece pry tool kit for about $5 or $6, and they included one in the box. That's pretty awesome. This is a mounting plate, so you can actually mount. I believe this is for the secondary camera. You have yet another USB, which I don't need to open. You got some other sticky things right here, which I'm pretty sure will assist in the mounting of the camera. You have the 32 gigabyte 32 gigabyte memory card from Kingston. So Kingston is a reputable brand, good looking out there. Although I would probably suggest getting 64 gigabytes. Here's another mounting plate. And then you have a couple of 3M adhesive panels. So those I'm pretty sure will go on the mounting plates. And then you have your instructions right here, which with this dash cam, if I'm not mistaken, you should be able to connect via an app. So I can't talk. Connect via an app. So there you have it, folks. Let me clean this stuff up real quick. Alright folks, so this is the Rexing Dash Cam V1P Plus for any car that you have. And even if you don't get this particular model, I would just say to invest in some type of dash cam. I did a video earlier about a dash cam that was at Walmart for $24.95. You don't always have to have the best, you just have to have something that's visible and that works. But personally, knowing the way that I am, I wanted to get a little bit better quality dash cam, and for me, this one's going to be it. As always, thanks for taking some time out to watch my videos. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, this is Official Keith. You're now official. We'll see you later.